Alright, Linux lovers. Today, I'm putting AntiX in the hot seat, and we're diving deep into the world of lightweight Linux distros. Is it just another lightweight Linux, or does it actually blow the competition out of the water? Let's break it down and see how it stacks up against the rest. Let's start with MX Linux, a favorite among many for its balance of performance and features. Both use Debian as their backbone, but AntiX goes even lighter. No system, no fuss, just pure efficiency. If you want pure speed on ancient hardware, AntiX wins hands down. It's designed to squeeze every drop of life from old machines. But if you're after slick looks, modern visual effects, and a suite of handy tools, MX takes it. Now Lubuntu. Sure, it's light, but it's not featherweight. Lubuntu is great for modest systems, but not the absolute oldest. AntiX boots faster, uses less RAM, and keeps things minimal for those who need every megabyte. But Lubuntu feels more familiar if you're coming from Windows, with a desktop layout that's easy to pick up. Puppy Linux? That's the real underdog in this race, and it's got a cult following for a reason. Even lighter than AntiX, and it'll run on a potato. Seriously, it's almost comical how little hardware it needs. But Puppy can be a bit wild. Quirky interfaces, not as polished, and sometimes a learning curve for new users. If you want a set-and-forget system, AntiX is the safer bet. It's stable, predictable, and just works. Linux Lite and Mint XFCE? Both are friendly, polished, and perfect for beginners, but they need more juice to run smoothly. AntiX is for the bare-bones crowd who want their old netbook to live again, breathing new life into forgotten hardware. Debian and Q4OS? Debian's rock solid but heavier by default, while Q4OS is lighter and retro-inspired. Q4OS looks retro and is resource-light, but AntiX still beats them in minimalism and raw speed. And Zorin? That's like bringing a limousine to a bike race. Beautiful, but overkill for old hardware. Looks gorgeous, but forget running it on 15-year-old kit. It's just not built for that. So, who wins? If your PC's ancient and you want it to live, AntiX is king. It's the go-to for reviving hardware you thought was dead. For everything else, you've got options. There's a distro for every taste and every machine. But AntiX? It's the champion of the lightweight league, standing tall above the rest. Cheers for watching. Let me know what you'd pick down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Linux battles and tips.